What's your name?
Kate.
First thing you need to know, how much you weigh?
75, I think.
75 what?
Pounds.
Okay. For those of you who have turned this to newtons, remember that's times 5. All right. Now, not for you. Don't worry. Do you know 75 times 5?
Thinking.
Come on now. The other two messed this up. Can you pull it off?
Probably not.
Come on.
Actually, I don't know. 75 times 5 is 5 times 75.
That's fantastic. You see all the schooling we get here? Okay. So, you have to go up the stairs. A stadium is going all the way up the steps and then down the steps. So I want you to walk all the way to the top, turn around, come down. Go.
Okay.
You don't need to race this. You can just walk up the steps. Quiet. Get all the way up, come back down.
You don't get to be in the video.
Okay. Now, boom. You needed your weight. All right. We don't need you for a second. Wait there. Now, most steps are approximately 8 inches. So, you can find when you're walking up the steps, you need to know the distance covered. You really only need the vertical distance. So if you count the number of steps, so here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, include the top. 13 times 8 would give you the total number of inches going up. 13 times 8, do you know that? Come on, 10 times 8?
80.
3 times 8?
24.
Add the 2?
Oh, 104.
104 inches going up here. Turn that into centimeters. Or you can do it straight away in centimeters. It's roughly 20 centimeters. That's even easier, 20 times 13. So 2 times 13? You?
26.
Add a 0?
26, 0. Oh, 260.
Oh, good Lord. I'm hoping you'll do better one day on this stuff, Sloppy. All right, so that's 260 centimeters to get up there, 2.6 meters. Your house will have a different number of steps most likely. If you don't have a ruler, just estimate they're about 8 inches to get up. Now the stadium racing, you actually have to time going up and down this. Hold on, you don't have to do that. So she can be there, don't worry, we want obstacles. Anyway, you'd have to time it, and the easiest way to time, don't cheat, get back on the ground. Easiest way to time it is actually carry the cell phone in your hand, press start when you go up, stop when you get down. So here a sample would be, you got to run all the way up and back down, and the only rule is no falling. Now, the actual thing you'll do in the lab, you won't do this, you're just going to do one round. The actual thing you'll do in the lab is you'll run up and down as many times as you can in 30 seconds. Or you're just going to go. Go. Don't fall. All the way up, then back down. That would be, and then you would keep going, but you don't have to. That would be one stadium. Thank you for demonstrating.
How many was it?
I don't know, maybe about like 12. You, go. Let's see a stadium from you. Go.
Up the stairs.
Go.
Lucy, up the stairs.
All right, now, if you happen to live in an apartment, there you go. That's stadium action right there. Oh, there you go. Now, if you happen to live in an apartment building, you may not have stairs. In which case, or you may live in a ranch. You may not have stairs either. The rule is no falling for you too, huh? Okay. If you don't, you could use a chair. Come over here to the chair. Similar process to the chair. You want to do it? Get over there. Her video got cut short. Get over there. What you can do for the chair instead, a chair is bigger. Step up and back down. Up, down. We can use a chair instead. You use a chair instead of stairs. Now most chairs are on the order of 18 inches tall. That's kind of a standard height for a chair. It's about 46 centimeters. So if you have chairs, you can do a chair, 18 inches. That's like a little more than 2 steps. Maybe do about 5 up and down, and the stair would be 1 flight. So that's up, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, stop there. 5 is good. 5 up and down in the chair is like 1 up and down in the stage. You want to do 6, you want to do extra. So that's equivalent to a set of stairs, basically. 5 or 6 up and down in the dining room chair rather. So if you don't have stairs, you can do that. There's your stadium.